Hardwired Ring cameras, like the Spotlight Cam Pro or Doorbell Pro, can fail due to several reasons. The most common culprits are power issues, such as incorrect voltage from the transformer, wiring problems including loose connections, damaged cables, and corrosion, and connectivity issues involving faulty Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Ring's data indicates that most problems stem from user errors during installation, particularly related to wiring. First, check that your transformer provides the correct voltage for your hardwired Ring camera. It should supply 16 to 24 volts AC at 20 to 40 volts A. Use a multimeter to measure the voltage directly at your camera's wiring terminals. If the reading is below 16 volts AC, the power supply is insufficient and causing the failure. If you find low voltage, replace the transformer with a compatible one rated for 16 to 24 volts AC and appropriate VA. This often resolves the issue. Finally, carefully inspect all wiring connections for signs of physical damage, rust, or corrosion. These issues can block proper power delivery to your camera. Carefully examine all wiring connections to ensure they are secure and properly connected. Loose connections are a frequent cause of intermittent connectivity or complete failure. If using Ethernet over coax EOC, check the coaxial cable for damage. Ensure the connectors are properly terminated. Clean any corroded connections with a wire brush or contact cleaner. Refer to Ring's wiring diagram for correct wiring configuration. If your Ring camera uses an Ethernet connection, start by ensuring the Ethernet cable is securely plugged into both the camera and your router. To rule out a faulty cable, test it with another device. Disconnect it from your camera and plug it into a different device like a computer to check if it works. If your camera connects via Wi-Fi, ensure it's within range of your router and that the Wi-Fi signal is strong. Try power cycling your router and the camera to refresh the connection. Unplug both devices, wait 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Finally, update your Ring app and camera firmware to the latest versions. Check for updates in the app settings and install them to ensure compatibility. Ring's official app includes a troubleshooting wizard designed to diagnose hardwired issues. Access this feature within the app's device settings. The wizard will guide you through a series of tests to identify potential problems with power, wiring, and connectivity. As of 2026, the app includes AI-assisted diagnostics to pinpoint issues more accurately. Follow the app's recommendations for resolving any identified issues. If basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue with your hardwired Ring camera, try performing a reset. This process can clear temporary glitches or software errors that may be causing the problem. One way to reset is through the Ring app. Open the app, navigate to your device settings, and look for the reset option. The app's troubleshooting wizard will guide you through the process. Alternatively, you can reset the camera physically by locating the reset button on the device itself. Press and hold the button for 10 to 20 seconds until the lights indicate a reset. Always refer to your camera's manual for the exact button location and procedure. Remember to consult your camera's manual for detailed instructions specific to your model, as procedures may vary slightly. Ring's community forums and Reddit threads, such as r/Ring, are valuable resources for finding solutions to common hardwired camera problems. Search for threads related to your specific camera model and the issues you're experiencing. Users often share step-by-step fixes and troubleshooting tips that can help you resolve connectivity or power issues. Ring also offers virtual support chat for real-time assistance. Access these resources through the Ring app or website to get quick help from experts and the community. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and your hardwired Ring camera still isn't working, it may be time to call in a professional. Complex wiring issues, such as damaged cables or voltage problems, require expertise to diagnose and fix safely. Professionals can address potential electrical hazards and ensure your installation meets safety standards. Before calling, check if your issue is covered under Ring's 2-year warranty for wiring-related defects. Remember, while many issues can be resolved with basic troubleshooting, some problems are best left to qualified experts to avoid further damage or safety risks.